Okay, everyone, welcome back to another stock opinion market update video. So today is Tuesday, January 6th, 2026. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. All of this is just my opinion. So today was a really good day for Micron. Um, that is one of the stocks I'm looking at, and it went up a lot. Unfortunately, I did not go into it, but this is becoming more and more bullish that it just keeps making new highs, right? It's literally not just following this pattern, but it just literally today it broke out. That's why I wanted to bring this into attention. This is a crazy breakout. So that is definitely very bullish. That means, the stock is gonna reach higher highs for sure. I can see it. And as the memory and RAM shortage continues, this company is going to be more and more valuable, right? Because there's more there when there's a shortage, it just means that people want a lots of it, right? And because people want lots of it, demand's going to go up, price is going to go up, everything's going to go up. Looking really good for the stock, okay? And yeah, so this, if you're investing in it, I would recommend you keep holding. If you want to buy more at these prices, it's up to you. I'm definitely not buying it at these prices because it's kind of uncertain for me to do so, but definitely super bullish on that. Now, same thing with Oklo. Oklo, as we covered on the last video, it did break. It's approaching this line right here. It could potentially break it out, but it's definitely heading to that line. So, but this is also doing great. Unfortunately, do be careful right here. Now, the third stock I want to talk to you is Rivian. Where's Rivian? I don't think Rivian really moved today. Rivian is starting, yeah, Rivian didn't move today. It's starting to make this line right here of support, which is very bullish, right? This is a very bullish thing to happen because as you can see, not only is it moving, like it's not, it's the swings are getting less and less. The volatility is continue like getting less. The volume is decreasing, but it's starting to increase again. So if there is a surge in volume, this can make its way back up to this price range. That is literally what I'm hoping for, and I'm trying to see. I do want to buy a little bit of Rivian right now. I'm thinking of buying Rivian. I might just buy Rivian soon. Once Oklo plays out, I think Rivian's gonna be like what I play. Micron is just Micron is in my long term investing. Not really doing trades with this or swing trades or anything with that. But I'm definitely looking at this because this is really bullish, right? It's setting up really nicely, and it's starting to create this even like bigger, like this kind of trend that it's following this, because it broke out of that. Now all it has to do is follow this line over here. If it does follow that line, okay, what am I doing with my things? Why does it do that? Can I not move that? I don't know what's happening. Okay, I don't know what I just made. Whatever. But yeah, as long as it follows this line, you know, I think the demand for RAM and storage and computer high hardware stuff is only gonna increase over time because we live in the digital world. Like everything uses this kind of stuff, right? So, and there's not a lot of companies. This is kind of like the biggest one. So I expect it to keep rising. Now, Oklo on the other hand, Oklo is very bullish. That's like, I'm still bullish on Oklo. Um, but we'll see because it's still keeping this. Look at the volume. The volume is being maintained, which is super bullish. Rivian, and yeah. those are the three updates I can give you guys today. Really gonna keep it short and simple of a video. I'll update tomorrow again, once again, with what I'm doing, what I feel like is the move. And yeah, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, definitely like and subscribe if you want more of these updates and stuff. And also, yeah, I do want to bring in Snap. Oh, yep, right here. Snap has actually Snap's also been on the radar, but I haven't been looking at Snap because like their earnings kind of weird for me. The company is a really, really weird company, but you have to understand that Snap actually has like a big user base. So they can do some crazy stuff with this company. So definitely looking for any kind of news on this stock. And it has the potential to go ballistics. This was a stock that was at $80 at one point. So it could be like Shopify. If you look at Shopify was one of those, like it just went crazy. And yeah, so we'll see. Anyway, I'll keep you guys updated. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.